All right, guys, got another project going on here. I'll redo porch. Take a look here. Okay, so we got most of our joists in here, but because the door was in the way, we had to change it from the 2x6s to some 5/8. So we added some joists at the 12-inch mark instead of the 16 or 24-inch mark. So we went ahead and we added those, and then we went and got our 5/8 boards and started laying those down. I had some 10 and 12 foot pieces. I wanted straight pieces in front of the door because I didn't want no cracks or anything to build up snow or nothing. So there's Pipe helping me out. She's so great. And there's the stairs. So we're not done yet, but that's the progress. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.